we are getting a late Christmas present from Santa. The title is no lie. We have confirmed, in my humble opinion, the most bullish, clear bullish indication confirmation that I have seen since probably when Bitcoin was at $3,000. Okay. Not only that, but we have beautiful charts to cover and super strict strategies. I'm going to give you a couple of tips. We're going to go front to back. Silver, gold, stock markets are going to pump today. This is the only day of the week right now. We have today, and then it's the weekend. It's the first full trading day of the year. The profits have been taken, okay, from last year. It is time to buy. But does this mean new all-time highs? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, pony. It's the year of the horse, baby. But one of my two favorite years. Next year's all the goat. Those are my two favorite years. My years, the horse goat, baby. And I'm going to be here through the thick and the thin. And I promise you, this year, we're going to do very well all year long. Without further ado, let's talk about the most bullish indicator we've seen in 3 cycles of Bitcoin. And folks, it was all over Twitter, okay? Left and right, these plebs were falling off. These NFT, first off, the smart people knew NFTs were never going to be anything, okay? All you NFT Twitter people quitting on crypto. Anytime they say it's dead, and it doesn't happen often. Some of my very good friends have said coins have been dead, and it's the bottom. It has to be paid attention to, okay? Now, this is just one example. Crypto trader Dachshund Wizard, who mixes crypto talk with Pokemon cards, said he's given up. I can't think of a better, and I'm not hating on the guy. He's probably a nice guy. Pokemon are cool. I like wiener dogs too. Prime suspect. And this was just one of many, okay? One of many. Now, let's not get ahead of ourselves, okay? Taking a look at Bitcoin. To be honest, we actually kind of look like we're mimicking 2021. And when we have our drop, we range after a big drop. So, what are we going to range to? Well, our spider lines show here. Let's make sure there's enough room to contrast. Okay, little room to contrast. Okay, here's 2021 back here, right? Double top basically, and boom, boom, boom. So here we go, leaning an upward double top, boom, boom, boom. What does that say? 100K. Now, that's good enough for me. Okay, I'm gonna take this. We are gonna take this one day, one trade at a time, all year long. Let the media, let everyone else flop and grope, talking about things that don't matter, okay? All that matters is what's going to happen next. And if we're going to make money off of it and not lose money off of it. So, that being said, what do we have to back us up? We do have money flow in the red, trying to come up a little bit. RSI's green, decently close together, coming up a little bit. We have the McCluskey cluster of the spider lines acting as support right here. Beautiful curvature just on the candles themselves. This looks natural. This looks natural. This is natural curvature, which we need so badly. You know what this reminds me of? The lack of participation and liquidity reminds me of back in the day. There was a time, guys, where we were able to move the price of Bitcoin. This very channel this very community. We were able to move price of Bitcoin 13%, 8%, 7%, multiple times in one session. All those lives are still online. If you're new here, you don't believe us, that's fine. You can go see for yourself or not. But those days have been kind of gone, or fewer to come by. But it feels like those days are back for now. The difference is with this holiday season, the Chinese, the Binance wrecked so many people. Plus the holidays, it's going to be stale. But that is when the big moves happen. Big moves happen, especially when everyone thinks it's dead. So, Ethereum, huge tip. Okay, there's two schools. Okay, there's two schools of movement. There's Bitcoin on this side, Ethereum on this side. We'll say Pepe on this side. And on the other side is your privacy coins and Chinese shit coins. Okay, so privacy, this is your Zcashes, your Moneros, and the Chinese shit coins that you don't know about because it happens without you knowing until it's too late. What do I mean by that? Well, here's what I mean. Zcash goes down, Bitcoin and Ethereum go up. Here's 10-minute on Ethereum, 10-minute on Zcash. Now, it's not to say that overall Zcash isn't going to come back up. They're not both going to come back up. But what I'm saying is, I can only speak for myself, but it's easier to pick a side. Choose a side. Because if you're in both, it's going to mess with you. So I recommend to myself in the mirror, I'm going to either trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe, and the coins on this side, or the privacy Chinese Zcash on this side. Okay? Pick a side. Now, everything's pumping today. Gold, pumping today. Silver, pumping today. I knew I should have. I took profits on silver up here. Y'all saw me. Polls on Twitter. I knew I should have added right here. I knew I should have added. But that's okay. I don't. Who cares? So the opportunity is going to be here. Beautiful curvature on silver right there. Beautiful money flow. Now, let's take a look. See here. Okay. So what do we got here? Let's break down these time frames a little bit here. We are at the spider line. Oh, these are the OG spider lines. On Bitcoin. Here we go. And these are the 2.0. So we are at this first spider line on Bitcoin. Nice curvature. I'm giddy, and we got 3-4 hours until the market opens. When market opens, I would expect a sell-off. That is the probability. Even if it doesn't happen this time, the probabilities would be that when the price goes up before the market opens, it's probably going to come down, even just a wick down. Now, the 12-hour. Big time frames are what matter right now. Money flow, curving up. Look at this buildup of momentum right here. It's serrating. Look at the RSIs cruising up pretty good. Even when the standard RSI flipped red, boop, going green, stochastic, they're nice and tight together. We have a nice bow again. What happened last time? We had a nice little bow. You just have to go back a couple video ago. We pumped. I'm liking that bow structure. We're going to have to add this to the pattern book. The bow. Okay. So that was the 12-hour we were looking at before here. 12-hour. Okay. Let's go to the 6-hour. Okay. Yeah. Sticking with the high time frames right now. Until market opens. Size matters. The 5-minute on Zcash Was it the 5 minute? No, what time frame was it? Let's see here. Oh. Darn, what time? Man, there was a time frame where they were just lining up. Man, the momentum was lining. Oh, okay. Beautiful trigger wave. Here we go. This wasn't the time frame I was thinking of, but we have nice little trigger wave right there. Which time frame was it? All right, whatever. This had to be it. The 6 hour. It was a 6 hour. Here we go. The one, 2, 3. Let's see if this plows through here. Where's Ethereum? Yeah, choose a side. Choose a side. Right now I chose Ethereum on most of my accounts, and I've on one account I have both sides, and that's what I'm telling you. Let's see here. Oh, well, let's see here. We got this one. We're up a little 33 on that one. Not bad. What are we doing over here? This one. We're up a little 45. Not bad. And on this one, we're up a little 13Z. And our Amazon trade is up $2,000. Now, the DBSI, for many of you, might be the date ended. On here was for 2025. Anyways, if you log in Market Cipher and you see all the numbers are the same, go to your settings, and it says end date and time. Change it because it was on 2025, 12 to 31 to 2025. Just change the calendar to somewhere 2026. Click a day. Save as default. Boom. And it'll fix your DBSI. Pepe. What is this? The 5 minute? Beautiful money flow on the 5 minute. Beautiful money flow on the higher time frames. Here we go. This is what we want to see. Whoo. Is that not a beaut? Is this not a beaut? It's the new year. Profits were taken. It's time to feast. And we're going to take it and ride it for as long as we see fit. Now, I'm going to be clear. What I think it's possible, probable that shit hits the fan with the markets at some point. But you know, we never know. What I do know is the price goes up and down, especially after a big drop. Price goes up and down. And if it is the bear market, if we are in a bear market, price goes down, it goes up. Crushes everyone, it goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. So whatever. We're going to take this one trade at a time. And we're going to trade this price action successfully, consistently, all year long. All year long. We're going to stay the course. I haven't been this excited about a new year in a long time for multiple reasons. That being said, there's going to be, I'm working on some changes with Market Cipher. I'm not going to say anything. New merch link. Okay, click the merch. We actually have men's shirts now and hoodies. Okay, we just have this right now. These are men's shirts, not no bisexual, bicentennial arm cut. These shirts aren't going to be cutting you up at the armpit. Okay? And we still do have the order for the mugs at marketciphermerch.com. Then it takes you to this website, the 23-ounce mugs. Okay. What's going on? Google's probably pumping. Oh my God, look at Google. Look at Google. It's about to pump. Google's about to pump. Amazon. What about Amazon? Yeah, baby. Bring it. Bring it. Okay, not bad. Not bad. What about Tesla? Okay, not bad. What about MSTR? Still going to shit. Oh my God. Yeah, choose your side. Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the Chinese. If this year, again, the horse year is notoriously the most bearish year out of the 12 Chinese years. It's the most bearish year. And this is when we separate the men from the boys, the real from the fake. This is when the real opportunity is. I think come summertime, come summertime is when it's going to be time to make generational, multi-year plays. Looking forward to it. Nice curvature. Right now, again, the market's not open. Play it smart. Don't be a boiling frog. Play it smart. Take your profits. You take profits, it keeps going. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Secure the bag. Secure the bag. Don't be a boiling frog. See you guys soon. But my best guess again, TLDR, 100K, and then shit hits the fan.